Hello, good morning, lovely people. And the best answer two tricky questions about integration and trigonometry. The first question is the integral of root of x minus 1 dx is equal to 2 over 15 root of x minus 1 cube times a certain function plus c. So, and find the f of x. Now, some find the c also. Okay. Into question no, you bet me a tron integral of x. Then the root of x here no represents raise the power half dx. Okay. Into you bet me a tron x minus 1 plus 1 because this and this will cancel and get the x back. We are just manipulating the equation. Now have x minus 1 raise the power half dx. Okay. Into you bet to me I multiply way by all of this, negative 1 by all of this, then positive 1 by all of this. I say, yeah, expand the equation. See, expand there, I hand able to me who say x minus 1 near common. X minus 1 is the power half near common. See, able to me a draw and what has say. Now we are left with x minus 1 in one bracket, then plus all of this because 1 times anything will still give us 1, so we can just ignore this one. Now you throw in nasi. It's a throw in nasi ya. And say a by law of indices, no say if we have a common base, now your powers now will end up adding the powers because we are going to multiply. See 1 plus half by minus 3 over 2 plus x minus 1 always the power half dx. Okay. Nti eba ne say ya ebetumi atro no say if na eba by apply integration no nti 3 over 2 plus 1 all over 3 over 2 plus 1 na no aye x minus 1 half plus 1 all over half plus 1 plus c. Okay. Nti say ye im na ne say ye betumi manipulate to answer na omohwehwe ewo top half answer na mo pe wo top half c so na be manipulate equation na kwoshe. Okay. Into ebe x minus 1 5 over 2 because we are doing we over 5 over 2. Now have divided by 5 over 2. Now so the half plus 1 over 3 over 2 all over 3 over 2 has. Okay. Into onion is saying now sorry. Okay. Into onion is saying now I say who say since divided by 5 over 2 as a 1 waha. It's about 1 divided by 5 over 2. So a reciprocate about 2 over 5 x 5 over 2 plus 2 over 3 x minus 1 is the power 3 over 2. Okay. Into a hand say yeah manipulation to shiny. It's a hand symmetron 2 over 5. Now metrono x minus 1. Now metrono 3 over 2 first. Okay. Because answer na wahana cube root of x minus 1 square root of x minus 1 or raise the power 3 no is the same as writing as x minus 1 then 3 raise the power x minus 1 then raise the power 3 over 2. Nti eno na matro ha see no. Nti sisaka function no. Nti if I multiply this by let's say 3 into bracket x minus 1 I am right because sorry I have 2 over 15 why 2 over 15 2 over 15 because for the question 2 over 15 no matter how good until try say manipulate answer no I to set solution never has now if I also add maybe 5 I can see say very correct because 2 over 15 into bracket x minus 1 3 over 2 times 3 x minus 1 no. This 3 will cancel this 15. Now I'm 2 over 5 no. And here is x minus 1 3 over 2 and here is x minus 1 raised to the power 1. So when I come and add it here, I'll still come and get this 5 over 2 here. So until we know I say we prepare. If we did this same equation no. So plus 2 over 15 x minus 1 3 over 2 times 5 no. 5 goes here 1, 5 goes here 3. I'll come and get it as 2 over 3 x minus 1 then 3 over 2 into this equation now looks like this one. Until I have ensure any specific formula, but when I say we manipulate the equation now that's a question. So that is the solution for the first one. Now the second one I'll say sine x plus cos x is equal to root 3. Until find tan x plus cot x. Okay, that is the question. So here now what we can do is we can square both sides and square this side too. Okay, as far as expand here sine squared plus cos squared x plus 2 sine x cos x is equal to 3. But from trigonometry no, you say sine squared x plus cos squared x is equal to 1. So I have 1 plus 2 sine x cos x is equal to 3. Okay, that means 2 sine x cos x is equal to 3 minus 1, which is 2. Okay, and therefore you divide it through by 2. Who say sine x cos x is equal to 1. Now I said we should use this to find the value of tan x plus cot x. But in himself from trigonometry no, tan x near sine x over cos x. Okay, and cot will be the reverse, so plus cos x over sine x. We should use to find the value until I find the LCM now. I have cos x into bracket sine x. Now I have cos y into sine squared x. Now plus sine y into we become now I have cos squared x. Okay, but from trigonometry no, you name says sine squared x plus cos squared x and we minus 1. And I have same proof we say sine x cos x is also equal to 1 from the first equation. Same proof we do have so this is the same as 1, which becomes 1.